Gwapo. Ang kaliwa ah. Yun o, natutunan na. Kaliwa ah.
Ay, pinulaman! Ay, suggest na kami din!
Ang palakpakan!
Tama na, parang awan nyo na, tama na.
Ay, jacket, ah!
Palakpak naman kayo! Patayin yung monitor! Patayin yung monitor! Patayin! Patayin yung monitor! Patayin yung monitor! Ay na, oh.
Oh, maawa kayo sa Johnson.
Oh! Maawa kayo! Taga-saan kayo!
Ngayon, doon muna tayo.
Picture.
So bago muna mag-picture, tanungin muna natin ang mga judges kung anong nasabi nila sa picture.
Picture.
Sino ito may panadol? Sabi ni Ate Pebe.
Pastor, picture mo kami.
Ayun na, yun ang official eh, pull na ako eh.
Oh, number one naman. Para panalo.
Number one, yan.
Ay, may asa pa, number one.
Okay na. Tanungin natin ang mga spread. Kung ano masasabi natin sa group ng Sixers Movers.
Ay, palakpakan!
So, ginamit po namin yung dahil sa'yo kasi kahit po wordless siya, ino-offer po namin ito sa ating Panginoon. Sabi po sa word, dahil sa'yo, ako'y matapang. Ayan. Because, ayan. Ibig sabihin sa ating Panginoon, tayo po ay wala tayong takot without fear, no? At tayo po ay lalaban until the end sa pagbabalik ng ating Panginoon. So, ito na po yung dahil sa'yo. Sabi ko nga po, ngayon yan ng mga dating dancers. Pinagsama-sama yan. So, ito na po.
150 kayo, 100 lang.
Wala ba kayo dyan ba si Kabong Palakpakan?
100.
The beautiful Sixers dancers!
Okay, member ng solid gold yun ah.
Palakpakan nila!
Let's all give a round of applause
Hoy!
to our beautiful Sixers dancers!
May turn na! May turn! Joey!
Sabi mo, Joey!
Wala na alam na, wala na number 2! Wala na, number 2 na, wala na! Yan, number 2 na, wala na! Wala na, number 2!
Kingdom of Israel. There was a king named King David. And the Lord said to him, "This is the word of the Lord of hosts. I took you from the fastest, from the following the sheep, to be the prince of my people of Israel. I have been with you wherever you have gone, and destroyed all the enemies in your path. I will make you a great name among great ones of the earth. I will assign a place for my people of Israel, that I will plant them, and they should dwell on their own land."
Gwapo ni David.
Napa?
Baka si Pastor nagturo dyan eh.
My king, our troops are ready for the battle.
Si Kuya Louie yung nagturo ng English dyan.
Ingay!
Based in a straw.
Hirapan yan.
When the Spirit of the Lord comes on my heart, I will dance like David danced. When the Spirit of the Lord comes upon my heart, I will dance like David danced. I will dance, I will dance, I will dance like David danced. I will dance, I will dance, I will dance like David danced.
Wala ba kayo mga kamay?
I will dance. Spirit of the Lord comes upon my heart. I will dance like David danced. And I will dance.
Kuya, kuya, tiga saan kayo?